Many people think the liver's sole job is to flush out toxins. But did you know this mighty organ also helps reduce excess fat? That's right. A compromised liver can lead to unnecessary weight gain. And let's face it, the market is flooded with supplements, yet few target this specific issue. Enter Liv Pure, a supplement that's been changing lives by restoring liver health naturally. Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of Liv Pure, exploring why it's garnered such rave reviews. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, here's a quick snapshot of this supplement. What is Liv Pure? Liv Pure is a natural weight loss supplement designed to enhance your liver health, promoting healthy weight loss. Ingredients: silymarin, betaine, berberine, molybdenum, glutathione. Top health benefits: promotes skin health, enhances cognitive performance, reduces hunger. Pros: plant-based ingredients, free of soy and dairy, non-habit forming, free shipping on the 6-bottle pack. Cost: 1 bottle pack, $69, 3-bottle pack, $147, 6-bottle pack, $234. Purchase location: official website. Refund policy: 60-day money-back guarantee. What sets Liv Pure apart? So, what makes Liv Pure stand out in the crowded market of weight loss supplements? Let's break it down. Improves skin health. Most weight loss supplements focus solely on shedding pounds. Liv Pure goes a step further by enhancing overall health. Users report improved skin health, with fewer acne breakouts, reduced blackheads, and diminished wrinkles. This supplement helps restore the moisture barrier, making your skin glow with vitality. Increases cognitive function. Balancing physical and mental health is crucial for achieving peak performance. Liv Pure's ingredients boost cognitive function, improving memory retention and mental clarity. So while you're working towards your dream body, your brain stays sharp and focused. Reduces appetite. Controlling portion sizes is a key aspect of dieting, but constant hunger can sabotage your efforts. Liv Pure contains natural suppressants that help curb cravings. Many users report a significant reduction in the urge to binge eat, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. The science behind Liv Pure. Liv Pure's effectiveness lies in its powerful ingredients, particularly choline. Choline plays a crucial role in lipid metabolism and neurotransmitter synthesis. It helps transport lipids from the liver, preventing their accumulation and promoting efficient utilization. Additionally, choline's role in acetylcholine synthesis may help regulate cravings, particularly for sugary foods. A double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trial involving 200 participants with compromised liver function and excess weight showed remarkable results. Those taking genistein, a key ingredient, saw a 25% decrease in ALT levels and a 20% decrease in AST levels, indicating improved liver function. Participants also experienced an average weight loss of 7.5%, reduced triglyceride levels by 15%, and increased HDL cholesterol by 10%. Leptin levels decreased by 18%, indicating better appetite regulation. How Liv Pure promotes weight loss. Liv Pure's natural ingredients have been clinically proven to enhance liver health. Once ingested, these ingredients quickly absorb into your bloodstream, strengthening your liver. A healthy liver boosts your body's fat-burning furnace, melting away stubborn fat layers and aiding in weight loss. Liv Pure pricing. Interested in Liv Pure? Here are the pricing options available on the official website. 30-day supply. 1 bottle pack. Price: $69. 90-day supply. 3 bottle pack. Price: $147. Only $49 per bottle. 180-day supply. 6 bottle pack. Price: $234. Only $39 per bottle. Get Liv Pure for the best price today. Who created Liv Pure? Liv Pure was developed by a team of researchers studying the impact of compromised liver function on weight loss. Confident in their product's efficacy, they offer a 60-day 100% money-back guarantee. This allows users to try Liv Pure for 2 months, risk-free. Is Liv Pure safe? Liv Pure is manufactured in FDA-approved and GMP-certified facilities using sterile methods and natural ingredients. Each batch is made in the US and inspected by third parties to ensure potency. While generally safe, pregnant and lactating women, individuals under 18, and those on other medications should consult a doctor before using Liv Pure. How long to see results? The time frame for noticeable results varies. Individuals over 35 or with significant weight to lose should take Liv Pure for at least 3 to 6 months. Younger adults or those with less weight to lose may see results within a few weeks of regular use. Final verdict on Liv Pure. Liv Pure isn't just another dietary supplement. It's a multi-tool for wellness. Need glowing skin? Check. Want to boost brain power? Liv Pure delivers. Struggling with cravings? Liv Pure has you covered. With a stellar lineup of plant-based ingredients, it's soy and dairy-free, and won't break the bank. The pricing is friendly. $69 for a 30-day supply, $147 for 90 days, or $234 for 180 days, with free shipping on the 6-bottle pack. What truly seals the deal is Liv Pure's 60-day money-back guarantee. Try it, and if it doesn't spark joy, send it back. No questions asked. So, if you're ready to boost your liver health and shed those stubborn pounds, Liv Pure might just be the supplement you've been searching for. Click the link below for further information and details. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe.